It's another 1.5 miles to the church. I don't think I'm too old for this, but my goodness, I let myself get so out of shape. I'm paying for it. And that's the end of this hike. I don't know if you can hear it, but I think I hear a stream. Yep, there it is. And if I have to cross it to continue this trail, then that's the end of this hike. I'll have to find another way to get to that little church down here. It's another 1.5 miles to the church. And I'm not even sure it's a church. It could just be a spot on the map. I'm debating, do I continue? I don't think I'm too old for this, But my goodness, I let myself get so out of shape. Moved to Tennessee. Oh, going in our 6th year. Got all excited about the sausage, the gravy, and the biscuits, fried chicken. I'm paying for it. Looks like a woodpecker's just done a real number on this tree. Look at this. I usually hear a lot of woodpeckers. There were some earlier when I started my hike. Not sure they're on this soundtrack. We'll find out. This feels like home sweet home. Not sure where the chapel is, but here's the Natchez Trace. I think. I'm not really sure. Nope, this is not the Natchez Trace. I gotta see if I can find my way back to my car. I might have turned on this road to find the place where I parked. Key word, folks, might have. I'm going to have to see if my GMC app will locate the truck. Ah, good news. I see my truck. In a second, I want to see how many miles I walked. You know, I just finished a 5-mile hike, and I was complaining that I'm too fat, so I stopped here at Puckett's for, might as well finish a 5-mile hike with a decent breakfast. So how about some biscuits and gravy and chicken tenders? It's been a good morning. So I'll end with that, but I do hope that y'all will take the time to like this video, and better yet, if you would subscribe and then hit that little bell there, because I would like to see you as a subscriber, and we'll see what happens in the future. So until next time, tell your mom and them I said hey.